Cancer Guidance by Type, Part 27. Dr. Dilip Gadgil, Pune. Esophageal cancer. In this type of cancer, the tumor or even the cough accumulated around it can cause a blockage. While the tumor blockage cannot be addressed quickly, it is possible to reduce the blockage caused by the cough. Many years ago, we had a patient who wasn't even able to drink water. At an allopathy hospital, he was kept on saline for a few days. But then they asked him to be taken back home because there wasn't much the doctors could do. When he came to me, I agreed to give him some medicines. While I knew he couldn't swallow anything, I told his family to let him lick the medication with some honey. He tried taking the medicine 5 times but vomited it out every single time. Finally, the 6th time that he tried, he was successful in ingesting the medicine mixed with honey. I thought this was a good start. Gradually, his body also started accepting milk from the mouth. I gave him Basti and he lived on for 3 years after that. My point here is that the dosha-induced blockage can be resolved to a certain extent. Tumor-related blockages are very difficult to deal with. While there are no guarantees, this example demonstrates that trying something like this can produce good results. It is important that we at least give it our best shot. So, which part of the esophagus is the cancer in? If it is in the last 1/3 part, it might spread to the stomach. Sometimes it is in the middle part, and sometimes in the top 1/3 part. Depending on this, treatments like surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy are done. However, the results are temporary in nature. Since esophageal cancer is so troublesome, it requires radical lifestyle changes and a natural diet to overcome the disease. Let's turn our attention to brain cancer now. 2 types of knots can develop in the brain: 1, a benign tumor or meningioma, and 2, an astrocytoma or glioblastoma. Apart from these, another type that is found sometimes is called metastatic cancer. In many patients, cancer spreads and metastasis happens in the brain. From paralysis to vision impairment, a wide range of effects can be observed when brain cancer happens. Let's talk about brain cancer in detail in the next part.